Hello YouTube, today I've got a quick unboxing of the GoPro HD replacement housing. It's the waterproof edition. Alright, let's open it up. Best way to do this is just scissors because the plastic's a bit strong. Alright, what have we got in it? We've got the housing itself, waterproof door, the flat mount and the long thumb screw, and it comes with a extra skeleton door. If you're wondering how much the case weighs, I'll show you it now. No, that's not the on button, that's the off. That's the on button. Right. You see? It says 90.5 grams for that. For the housing with everything attached. Thanks for watching.